Hello everyone, my name is Neelam, a second year student at IIM Udaipur. So by this time, I am sure that you all are ready with your strategies to crack that 2022 exam. So here I am to share few of my learnings from CAT 2020 and I am sure it will help you to ace the exam. So the first one is never try to learn any new things today or even tomorrow morning, even if you have your paper in the third slot. Try to relax a bit, go out with friends, and never talk to friends who are pessimistic, or even avoid talking to friends who are cat aspirants. And also, try to go to bed at 10 p.m. at max so that even if you are an overthinker like me, you will end up sleeping after 2 hours of rolling here and there. So the second one is never go in the paper with a preconceived notion. So I'll break this in three parts. First of all, you have a fixed mindset that I am going to attempt these many questions in the whole paper or in sections in particular. Never ask any of your friend who has his or her exam before your slot so that he gives you a judgment that this particular section was easy or this one was difficult. Or never take it to your ego that I have been solving these type of questions many a times in my mock test, so I have to do, and getting stuck in that question for long. It takes a lot of time and ultimately maybe you are not able to solve that question correctly. So this third point is that never try to experiment with your strategy during your exam. If you have been practicing your mocks for long, so stick to that because your mind is adjusted to solve the paper according to that. So I would not suggest that you are trying to make any new strategies. I would say once you are done with any of your section, just forget about that and move on to the next section. Don't think that I did not attempt as many questions as I would have, or my this section went very bad because you just have very few minutes and they are very precious. Try to utilize them and focus on the section you are attempting. Whatever you have done in your previous section, forget it once you move on to the next section. And now we come to the last suggestion. Once you come out of your exam, do not overthink about how your exam went. You did not perform very well in one of the sections, or you think that your performance was below average your expectations. It's just the game of relative marking. The question that you thought is difficult might be difficult for everyone. So trust your preparation. Try to relax for that day. Go out with your friends. You have been working very hard for this day. Take your time a day or two and relax. Just gather your thoughts. What mistakes you might have done that you should not do in your next paper, and once you are refreshed after 2-3 days of break, you can start with your preparation for the next exam. So these were the suggestions that I would like to give you all. So I wish you all the best for your exam tomorrow. Have faith in your preparation and perform to the best of your abilities in the exam without thinking what you have been doing, how hard you have worked, and anything during the exam. Just focus on attempting the maximum number of questions that you can do, and we will meet in our next video. If you like my video, please share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.